Jesus' time, Samaritans are somewhat rejected, especially the Samaritan woman.
It's a very sad thing that people like me are being despised by the community, even though I try to help them.
The woman was very sad. She didn't like the way the people are treating her.
Oh no, this is Samaritan! Will there be a good person that will not reject a Samaritan like me? I don't care. I can still live even if they're bothering me, even if they keep going in and out of my life. Maybe I'll just go fetch water. Maybe my problems will vanish.
During that time, Samaritans and Jews were hostile to one another. Samaritans were half Jews and considered impure by the Jews because they had intermarried with pagans. She went to a nearby well. Then, she saw a man. The man approached her.
May I have something to drink?
Here, like this.
Thank you. Here, come and sit.
Are you serious that you want to go talk and go near me?
Of course.
Don't you know that I'm a Samaritan?
I don't understand.
But you still want to go near me?
Yes, because everyone matters to me, even though who does not even count in the community.
Thank you, Jesus, for being so sincere. I will be brave as long as I can.